Tape Reader Joe here, so I am back, and I am pleased to say that I think I have finally found my model. So yesterday traded the 9:30 open. That was the optimum entry at that swing low, but I'll be honest with you, 9:30 still scares me because you never know what it's going to do, particularly if there's news. So I just kind of waited, and as you can see, I entered my trade a little bit late, but they are just at maybe 9:30, 1 to 9:33. For me, I was looking at the price reaching that purple line, and so as you can see, I'm there moving my stop loss to break even, and that's something that I've been practicing doing, just because at the end of the day, if it retraces, then it could actually just give you a better entry. So as I look at the price ranges to see where price is at in the price range, I'm confident that price is going to continue moving upwards. There is the previous day high also as a price target, but I am remaining conservative as it relates to my take profit. Just moved my stop loss, the trade up higher, and I saw that swing, so I said, you know what, let me just get out, because I'd already made over 50 points, and for me that's something that has been a breakthrough, not to be greedy. If you get 50 points, just take them and go, and I'm really looking to see how I can scale that 50 points as such. But as you can see right now, price continued to actually increase, so I am thinking, and I'm waiting to see if there is another opportunity actually to get in. As you can see, there's another swing, and price is dipping down lower into that blue shaded area, which is a 1 hour fair value gap, which I have marked, and we can see the reaction at that kind of key price level, and I'm just waiting for 9:45 to see how price reacts at 9:45, which is the opening of that macro. I say I'm waiting, but well, yeah, I am waiting, but I'm also obviously not that patient as I probably should be. As you can see, as I understood from ICT, is that price continues after consolidation, and I'm waiting for, as I say there, a pullback at 9:50 to give me a better entry. Here's 9:45 has just been hit. Yes, I'm in a little bit of drawdown, but it's anticipated. With such a strong move higher, it's not a reversal pattern that I'm seeing. It is more of a consolidation until we continue moving up. We see that swing at 9:45, so for me that was enough confirmation to get into the trade one more time. Yeah, it wasn't quite 9:50, but it was early, but it was a swing. Getting aggressive now with my take profit all the way up there to the extension on the fib tool to 1.618 for those two, but we'll see what happens. I'm monitoring it actively. As you can see, we see price reach up higher now, and I am moving my stop loss up to kind of guarantee some winnings if it actually does retrace. There you can see it, I got another swing. That's enough. I have overextended on I've reached my target in terms of points, so I don't actually need to do any more. But obviously there is this satisfaction of seeing price reach your target, and I guess as I build confidence, I'll be more able to hold on through the dips until price reaches the actual target, which, as I say, I believe at this point would be previous day high first, and then that yellow line, which is a swing high from last week, where there was two previous highs, equal highs, which I thought, hang on a minute, this looks very suspicious. So as you will probably see, oh no, price does actually reach that eventually, but I did not participate after that as such. But you know, this was a very good trade for me, a trading day for me, because price moved in the way that I have been watching and monitoring. I've done a lot since my last video in terms of studying, analysing, back testing, and trying different things from gold back and trying to trade gold, you know. But the thing is, I just have to stick to the one thing that really resonates with me, and that is this model where I have my magic lines set from courtesy of Vanessa. I say courtesy of Vanessa, she puts it out on Twitter, and I believe I've worked out what she does, but I could be wrong. Nobody's confirmed it. She's never confirmed it with me. But you know, price moves between a particular range that is established the previous day, and then what I discovered last week was that price then, if it moves out of that range, goes at least 1.618, and that's what I'm always kind of looking for. So if price is not in my range, then I'm looking at it moving to the 1.618. But as you can see here now, we see price is dipping down lower. I'm not in any trade at the moment. I'm literally just watching to see what happens as we approach the end of that macro. 10 o'clock open low, so that we can continue up higher. As it's another swing, I entered the trade, and you know, bearing in mind it's CPI tomorrow, I'm not looking for too much. That's why I just closed it, you know. Yeah, don't need to. But at the end of the day, as you can see here, price did reach my targets that I had thought about, but look at the back and forth and how long it took. I didn't need to go through all of that, and I saved my mental equity with what I had, because to be fair, it wasn't that much higher. So yeah, so that was essentially it. So thanks ever so much for watching. Like, subscribe, drop a comment, and I'll be doing it all again each and every day. Thanks.